So it's the day after Christmas, and we needed to get some fresh air, so we decided to come and see one of the local attractions. Sarah and I hadn't been here yet, so we thought we'd give it a shot. So we've come to the Grotte de Saint-Germain-des-Prés, which is about 10 minutes away from the Chateau. It's a small little village with a 13th century abbey in it. Quite a spectacular village. But they also have these caves, so we're going to go check them out. Let's show you around. This is the plaque that commemorates Jean-Luc Siré, who is the brave soul that actually had to dive through the river to pop up into the cave, which is absolutely, terrifying when you think about it, but well done him for being the explorer. These caves were discovered in the 1990s, but weren't open to the public until 2012. So it's only been, 2010. So it's been 12 years since it's been open to the public. It's quite extraordinary. Finally see the river that's been forming these caves for millions of years. Still pretty active. So you can see the little pools of water formating the rocks here. And then there's the shaft that goes all the way to that little pin light at the end is 28 meters up. And by the end, we're supposed to be about 45 meters underground. Quite the cascade of water coming down through the ceiling here and dripping all the way down to the base of the cave. Spectacular. Truly magical, all the sculptural elements that are created by, just falling water and calcium and minerals. When the guy who discovered the caves discovered them, this was the entry point that he had found. So he followed the stream up through the cave and discovered what we went through. Absolutely amazing. This is actually in the village of Saint-Germain itself.
I know we had asked your opinion on that other wallpaper, and we really liked it, but the seller was on eBay and it was in German, and I didn't realize that he was selling strips and not rolls, and none of the strips were actually tall enough for this room. So we looked at two other samples and we like both of them, but we've made a decision and we want to know what you guys think to see if your decision would match up with ours. So here's the samples and you can let us know which team you're on for this one. There seems to be a commotion in here.
Well, I figured I'd reduce the table, give us a bit more working space around here.
Working space for what? Because my gosh, everything seems to be very empty all of a sudden.
Yeah, indeed. So, time to decorate the dining room.
What?
Well, we figured for the new year, and it is a few days before the new year.
Yeah.
We're going to try and get the dining room and hopefully the cafe,
Salle de Pause.
Yep. We're still trying to figure out the right name for it. Butler's pantry in English.
Yeah.
And try and get these two rooms decorated. So.
Not all decorated for New Year's.
No, you're right. Yeah. So we're taking the wallpaper down.
Yeah.
We're gonna take the wallpaper down. We're gonna repaint all of the woodwork that's in here, the frames and everything. Sarah's gonna make some lovely new curtains for this room
Yep.
at some point, and give it a freshen up and be a little more in keeping with what we envision
yeah.
Chateau to be.
We've been very carefully trying to not show you this giant patch on the wall. So I got all excited. I was thinking, oh, our retreats are done for the year. We can start redecorating. And then I kind of forgot we had other guests.
Holidays, yeah.
So we got all excited. But yeah, we've been moving things around, clearing out the vitrine to make it easier to get things out of there.
All the delicate stuff is out of the room. The paintings are off the wall. We still have to get...
Sadly, we're going to have to take this apart, but yeah.
But yeah, no, it'll look great.
Super excited. We're decorating the dining room.
Yeah.
Woo!
First major decorated project.
Yeah. I'm a little bit sad. I so enjoyed our epic mantelpiece.
Yes. It's always hard to take it apart.
Yeah, it is. And Maurice is braving the giant ladder because we have to literally cut down the curtains. They're just tied on. Is it like a ribbon that's tied sideways or just?
No, it's literally a string.
Just a string, eh?
Yeah, it's a string and then it threads through and
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
ready, Freddie?
Ready? Do it.
Of course, the curtains probably weigh more than I do.
Well, with, 3.5 meters. But interestingly, these are completely unlined. And I think they're just a synthetic material. I think they might have been blue and yellow at some point. I kind of think they might make an interesting, peasant dress sort of material. What do you think? Peasant dress?
Gone with the Wind?
Yeah.
Yes.
But better yet, the Carol Burnett Gone with the Wind, I think.
Actually, they've got quite a sheen to them.
Yeah.
When you get them in the light, it's got a bit of a sheen. It could just use a wash, I think, more than anything.
On second thought, I think this is getting dangerously close to the first rule of Chateau. This is so dry. Really, Selska pointed out, it's a good thing we didn't try to start a fire in here. Just in case anyone was concerned, we did try to get as much wire as possible out of the composties.
But it's got time. Oh, that came off. Okay.
I'm right behind you again.
Let me get down. One more. So I can get over it. All right.
Okay.
First major task done. So we've got all of the curtains down from around the room. Sara and Elska have cleared the mantelpiece of all the Christmas deco and all the artwork's out. So I think the next big stage is getting this wallpaper off. That should be fun.
Well, that's looking quite a bit different already.
Yeah, no kidding, huh? It actually feels bigger in here without the curtains. It actually feels bigger. Yeah.
It's so bare in here now. And it looks like a construction zone already.
Yeah.
Yay. Better
At
move
least we
those
can
plates.
close these doors and hide it from the rest of the house. Yeah, I will admit I started picking. This looks like it's gonna go. So.
Oh, that's a pretty good chunk though.
There you go. Not bad. Not bad. If they come off more like that for the rest of the walls, I think we'll be in good shape.
Yeah, could be done by the end of the day. What do you think?
So we're doing this after Christmas, so you are in practice of unwrapping presents.
That's
Yes,
right,
exactly. Yeah.
You're unwrapping the house.
Unwrapping the dining room.
There you
Yeah.
go. Oh, so there is different wallpaper.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. It was like a green little flowers or something.
Huh.
Let's see if I can get it off in one piece.
Interesting.
Get this stuff off first.
But it was just under the bracket,
Just
so
under the bracket.
they must have not taken that bit down when they re-wallpapered.
Odd though, because it was all the way around, and when you look here, this is cut around just this piece. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Huh. Mysteries. We also have some writing here on the walls. Pretty sure it's just, you know, workers' notes, but there you go.
Elska's making discoveries.
Well, it's old.
Nice.
Yeah, it's backed. The wallpaper's backed with old. Let's see how old that is.
I'm guessing by the cigarettes in the boardroom that were in the 60s, 50s, 60s, something like that. Yeah.
Oh wait, here's some headlines. Let's see what.
Oh, there's also
can I-
like horsehair or burlap or
Burlap
something
or
like
something.
that. Interesting. Oh my gosh, is that board separate? Like, would that, can you take that out and make it glassed in?
Oh, that would be amazing.
Oh, you got a date.
I'm trying to get a date. Oh, I do have a date. You're right, 1961.
Nailed it.
Called it.
Nailed it. Yeah.
Is that Cindy's wedding picture?
Aww,
It is.
look at that.
Yeah, well, that's minor.
Nice. Points for soakage. Yeah.
I'm really happy
Nice
with that.
job. Very satisfying. Pretty satisfying. It's coming together. Maurice, just let it drop. Do not dive after it. Since we can't win the battle of you standing correctly on the ladder, I absolutely refuse to let you have a header. But can I just say, it was really nice of you guys to all wear matching outfits for the wallpaper today. I mean, that was well coordinated. Well done, everyone.
It's peculiar, isn't it?
Do it.
Here it is, hopefully last moments.
Looking good, looking good.
Almost there.
Oh no.
Oh, so close.
Well, Steve,
That's it.
this is the final stretch.
The last few inches of paper. And this room will be all new. There she blows. That's it. Well done, everybody. And particularly to Mo here for all the hard work. Well done. So, sad day. It's New Year's Day, and we're having to say goodbye to Elska and Mo. Just farewell. They'll be back soon, hopefully, right?
Yes.
Right?
Very soon.
Yeah.
June for sure.
Awesome. Yeah. So we're putting them on a train. They're heading on their way to Bordeaux. So it's been great, guys. Thank you so much for making it a great holiday.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We had a great time.
Awesome. Yeah. We'll see you soon.